Students, a cheerful good morning to all of you. Are you ready for English class? Do you remember what we discussed yesterday? Yesterday, we talked about a fight between two boys. We saw that fight is useless and it does not solve any problems but creates more problems. Today, we shall take up the 7th lesson. The name of the lesson is The Open Window. The name of the lesson is The Open Window. It is funny and interesting story. It is also a mysterious story. The story centers around an open window. In the story, there is Frampton Newton. In the story, there is Frampton Newton. He suffers from nervous problem and mental tension. So, he wants to go to countryside for recovering. Where does he want to go? To the countryside. And for what? For recovering. But Frampton does not know anybody in that area. So, his sister tells him to meet her aunt, Mrs. Sappleton. Frampton visits Mrs. Sappleton. She keeps the French window of her house wide open. Mrs. Sappleton's niece, Vera, tells Frampton about the tragedy that happened to Mrs. Sappleton just 3 years ago. She also tells him how Mrs. Sappleton's husband and her 2 brothers went to shoot birds through that window 3 years ago. They never came back and their bodies were also not recovered. In the meantime, Mrs. Sappleton arrives and she tells Frampton that her husband and brothers would come back again through that window any day. So she told him not to mind that open window. But Frampton finds the story terrible and horrible. He wants to close the horrible topic. He wants to tell Mrs. Sappleton about his nervous problem. But she does not pay much attention to his mental tension. She is interested only in the story of her husband and brothers. All of a sudden, she looked out through the window and says that her husband and brothers have come just at tea time. Her niece Vera is also terrified. Frampton also looked in the same direction. He also found 3 men like 3 shadows coming towards the window. He thought that 3 shadows were the ghosts of 3 dead men. As he was horrified and terrified, Frampton rushed out of the house wildly without saying a word, like a madman. So, dear students, as I said in the beginning, this is a mystery story. It is a mystery because, as we know, dead men cannot come back to life after 3 years. Is it clear? Okay. Students, though this story is funny, it offers us several lessons for our lives. One of the lessons is that we should not burden others with our problems tensions, and troubles. Others also have their own problems, perhaps even greater problems than our problems. Problems and difficulties will come on our way, whether we like them or not. Do you get the message? Very nice.